Let us now solve ninth bit of problem 3. In this they have given first term a is equal to 3, n number of terms 8 and sum of the n terms 192. This is what they have given. And the question is we need to find the value of d. This is what the question. So using the given information, let us try to find the value of d. Here they have given s is equal to 192 is nothing but sum of the 8 terms is equal to 192, and we know the formula. When we know value of a and n, then the formula to calculate sum of the n terms is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula we need to use when you know a and n values. So now in place of a we are going to put 3, in place of n we are going to put 8, and d value we don't know, that is what we are going to find. So after substitution you can write as shown here. Now 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. So that is what the next step. When you multiply 4 into 6, 24, 4 into 7, 28. So that is what we have written here. You have to take this 24 towards left side. Then when you simplify, you will get d is equal to 6. Therefore, we got the value of d is equal to 6 for the given arithmetic progression. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.